Welcome to the Ray Shikshan Sanstha's Western Region English Medium YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about subject History Standard 6 lesson number 7 India during the Maurya period video number 22. Dear student, in the last video we have learned about the Greek Emperor Alexander's invasion and the Maurya Empire Chandragupta Maurya. Today we have learned about Emperor Ashok. After Chandragupta renounced the throne, he was succeeded by his son Bindusara. After Bindusara's death, his son Ashoka succeeded to the throne in 273 before Common Era. Ashoka had been appointed the governor of Takshashila and Ujjain. Before he came to the throne as the governor, he had successfully quashed the revolt at Takshashila. After becoming the empire of Magad, he launched a campaign against the state of Kalinga. Kalinga occupied the region of today's Odisha state. Empire Ashoka conquered Kalinga. Ashoka's empire extended from Afghanistan in the northwest and Nepal in the north to Calcutta and Andhra Pradesh in the south, and from Bengal in the east to Saurashtra in the west. The Kalinga War. Ashoka was deeply moved by the bloodshed of the Kalinga War. He decided never to wage a war again. He came to believe that truth, non-violence, compassion, and forgiveness were the important views. Ashoka wanted to spread this teaching among the common people, and therefore he had pillars, edicts, and stone inscriptions engraved throughout his kingdom. These writings are in the Brahmi script. In the inscription, he is referred to as Devanamapiya Piyadasi. It means beloved of the gods, and he who looks on with affection. Another inscription states that 8 years after he ascended the throne, he made the conquest of Kalinga and had a change of heart on seeing the devastation it caused. In inscription of Empire Ashoka at Delhi, Topda shows that he had put strict restriction on the hunting of bears, monkeys, rhinoceroses, and on setting fire to forest. Empire Ashoka's work for the spread of religion. Ashoka had embraced Buddhism. He had convened the Third Religious Council on Buddhism at Patliputra. Ashoka sent his one son Mahendra and daughter Sangamitra to Sri Lanka for the spread of Buddhism. He also sent Buddha bhikkhus to West Asia and Central Asia for spreading Buddhism. He also built many stupas and vihars. Public welfare activities. Emperor Ashok leads straight on the creation of facilities for the welfare of the people. For example, he made provisions for free medicines and medical treatment for people as well as for animals. He built many roads and plants trees for shade on both sides of the roads. He dug wells and built dharmashalas. To understand the concept and revise at home. Thank you.